Welcome back to See My Review, the spot where we dive into the hottest product unboxings and real reviews. Today's video is going to be extra special because I've got my hands on a highly anticipated drop, the Jordan 12 Retro SP Maniére White. These are part of the exclusive women's release, and just looking at the box, I already know these are going to be next level. Let's crack this open and take a closer look. Right out of the box, you can tell Maniére put serious thought into this design. The upper is a clean, crisp white premium leather, buttery smooth to the touch. And then boom! That deep, rich burgundy suede mudguard gives it such a luxurious feel. The detailing doesn't stop there. Check out the white rope laces, subtle but classy, and the custom branding. Maniére logos on the eyelets, heel of the right shoe, and tongue of the left. This minimal yet bold, super high-end vibe. These Jordans are more than just a pretty pair. The construction is top
kicks without breaking the bank? Then www.yupkicks.ru, http www.yupkicks.ru is a must-visit destination. This site has built a solid reputation for offering a massive selection of top-tier sneakers, from the hottest Jordans and Yeezys to rare collabs and classic retros. But it's not just about variety. The quality here is unmatched, with attention to detail that'll impress even the most seasoned collector. Every item is crafted with authenticity in mind, making it hard to tell the difference between these and the real retail releases. What really sets Yupkicks apart, though, is its commitment to customer satisfaction. You're getting affordable prices that won't empty your wallet, secure payment options for peace of mind, and super fast shipping that gets your order to your doorstep quicker than you'd expect. Plus, their customer service is on point, responsive, helpful, and always ready to assist with sizing, orders, or any questions you've got. Whether you're copying your next grail or just adding some heat to your rotation, www.yupkicks.ru, http://www.yupkicks.ru, delivers a seamless shopping experience